Follow along for a step-by-step on how to log into your new online and mobile banking experience with Countryside. Online and mobile banking make it easy to manage your accounts and conveniently bank from anywhere. From a computer or mobile device, visit the login screen of online or mobile banking. If you are an existing user, you may enter your existing username and password credentials. For future logins, your username is not case-sensitive, but the password will be. To secure your account, you will need to create a new username and password. Click the Create a New Password button and verify your identity by completing the required fields and following the on-screen prompts. You will need to receive a one-time verification code to verify your identity. Select your preferred password reset method to receive the one-time verification code by SMS text message, email, or voice call. Create a new username between 6 and 30 alphanumeric characters. Click the arrow to make sure it's available and click Continue. Create a new password that meets all the qualifications, and retype to confirm. Select the Continue button to finish setting your password and log in. View and manage all accounts and features in one place, monitor your credit score for free, and more. Use the same credentials when logging in from the website or mobile app. If you have any questions, visit our website, or call or text us today.